Are you struggling to filter data in your data frame? It can be a real headache when you need specific entries but don't know how to get them. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. Filtering data can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to pinpoint specific time ranges across multiple days. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when working with data frames. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to filter entries in a data frame between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. for every day. They provided a sample data frame and a method for filtering a single day, but they needed help extending that to multiple days. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So, what's the issue here? The user has a data frame with timestamps and wants to filter out entries that fall within a specific time range for each day. This requires a bit of manipulation, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around. At the end, I'll share a quick tip that will make filtering data even easier in the future. To filter the entries between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. for every day, the user should first convert the time column to a date-time format. This ensures that the filtering works correctly across all entries. Next, the user can create a mask that checks if the time falls within the desired range. This mask will be applied to the entire data frame to filter the results. Now, the user can apply this mask to the data frame to get the filtered results. This will return all entries that occur between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. for every day. Finally, the user can display the filtered results to see the entries that meet the criteria. This will show all relevant entries from the original data frame. Fun fact, did you know that the first data frames were created in the 1970s? They were a game changer for data analysis, and now we can filter them with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the lubridate package. First, you create a date range using the interval function to specify the start and end times. Then, you filter the data frame to include only the entries that fall within this time range. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure your timestamps are in the correct format before filtering. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You can now filter your data frame for entries between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. for every day. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data manipulation.